add another one. Hello, how are you doing? You are welcome here. If you are new, please subscribe. It's free for you, but it helps us so much. If you have already subscribed, thank you for doing that. Uhawe ikaze hano, niba uri mushya ndagusabye kora subscribe n'ubuntu kuri wowe, ariko biradufasha cyane. Niba wararangije gukora subscribe, warakoze cyane kubikora. I love you. Ndabakunda cyane. Okay. Thank you so much. Test the weather. Our data are complete. Okay, if true. Thank you so much. 300 milliliter. 300 milliliter. We are going to add also 200 in order to gain 500 milliliter. That is 300. You may put there. Then we are going to measure 200. I'm going to measure 200 milliliter. Then you may add. Someone may come to check whether are complete. Check whether if it is 500. Is it true? That is 500. If yes, you may do this one. That yes, you may do this one. Is this 500? Let me check. 500. No, not 5. No. Not 5. Start. Yes, start. No. 300 milliliter. Okay. You may put into a big container, and also you may measure. Two. 200 milliliter. In order to complete 5. Let me go and check if we are 500. Check if it is 500. Is that 500? Yes, if it is 500, clap for him. Okay, thank you so much. Now, what 400 milliliter. Is that 600 milliliter? Let me check. 60. Okay, that is true. Clap for her. That is true. Another one who may go to measure 800 milliliter. You. Yes, Joanna. Let's Joanna go to measure 800 milliliter. Measure 800 milliliters. 800 milliliters. Is that true? Is that true? If yes, clap for her. Clap for her. Okay, that's true. 500 milliliters. 500 milliliters. You may select the cup which is or which has the measure of 500 milliliters. 500 milliliters.